something to strip. Throw up the keys, the hoopty whips to the squatters. Whoever putting up dollars, holler, we see a car hotter. Yo, I'm coming corners like I'm crazy. I know how to burn them. Me and my car got a bomb like we Michael Knighted. Throw it a fifth, throw it the fourth, break it back down to third. Bring it back up to six once around the curve. I feel attention, not to mention the intervention from the coppers. We got papers, take the ticket. Only flat tires can stop us. Dual exhaust on the Porsche, I'm red. Once I'm crossed the finish, you know that it's bad. What more can I say? I'm true to this. My car got a computer chip, and with no speed, the race you losing it. I need speed when I fly through the hood. The butter soft leather wood, them 24s looking good. Throw up the keys. The big body, cool drivers, the big truck, and no riders. We letting no one get by us. I need speed when I'm racing that strip. I got the button and chip. Your car like something to strip. Throw up the keys. The hoopty whips to the squatters. Whoever putting up dollars, holler, we see them car hotter. Hey yo, I'm in the need for speed. My ride stampede with horses, 440 in that CO coupe. With the talkers, I don't obey when red say stop. I fly by in the UFO, unidentified foreign object. Yeah, that's the most walking in the projects. No matter what you hopping, it's elementary watching. But back to the back, they might not speak that tricked out. The battle when your whole click out. Watching my car come equipped with smoke screens and spit out rockets. Let's rev your engines, pop the clutch, burn out. I show you how a real street race turn out. I need speed when I fly through the hood. The butter soft leather wood, them 24s looking good. Throw up the keys. The big body, cool drivers, the big truck, the low riders. We letting no one get by us. I need speed when I'm racing that strip. I got the button and chip. Your car like something to strip. Throw up the keys. The hoopty whips to the squatters. Whoever putting up dollars, holler, we see them car hotter. Yeah, man. I need speed, man. All you race car drivers out there, everybody with them fast cars, keep going as fast as you can, baby, don't look back. When dipping through them, got that nitro button, the same, do donuts in a like that 6'4" Impala.